Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a pledge pass on LayerEdge. First, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet to the LayerEdge platform. Make sure your wallet is compatible and has enough funds to cover the minting fee. Once connected, locate the specific section for minting pledge passes. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process, so double-check your connection and balance before proceeding. After connecting your wallet, you'll see various pledge pass options. Take a moment to review each one, understanding its unique benefits and features. Once you've decided which pass suits your needs, simply click to select it. It's always a good idea to confirm your choice before moving forward, ensuring you're minting the correct pass. Now, carefully review all the transaction details presented, especially the total minting cost. Your connected crypto wallet will then prompt you to approve the transaction. This step is vital for authorizing the mint. After approval, the blockchain network will process your request. This confirmation process usually takes only a few moments, depending on network activity. Congratulations! You should now receive a confirmation that your pledge pass has been successfully minted. You can typically view your new pass directly within your connected crypto wallet or on your LayerEdge profile. With your pledge pass secured, you can now begin to explore all the exclusive benefits and features it unlocks within the LayerEdge ecosystem. Enjoy your new pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.